Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Microsoft Notes and signing in so sync works across devices. Create a new notebook and name it with searchable keywords. This helps retrieval later. Once done, add your first note and pick a template if you want structure. Make sure to tag the note and set a quick reminder for time-sensitive items. These first steps establish organization and save time, so don't skip tagging and naming. Search will thank you later. You'll now build structure. Create sections and pages to mirror projects so you can focus. Use nested bullets and headings to break complex ideas into scannable chunks. This improves recall. Insert images, audio clips, or web links to capture context, and drag content between notes to reorganize quickly. Once that's in place, link related notes together so you can jump across ideas with one click. These methods keep content editable and finish by reviewing notes and consolidating duplicates into master pages to avoid scattered info. Export or pin critical notes for fast access and enable offline mode so you can work without a connection. Make sure sync shows current status. That ensures updates appear on all devices. If something goes wrong, restart the app first, then confirm your account credentials and internet connection. If needed, clear the app cache and resync. That troubleshooting sequence fixes most common sync and access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.